Hello, my friends. In this video, we're going to be going through how you publish a Notion note so you can then put it on your courses. So technically, I'm on this side. This is a brand new task tracker that I just created from the template. And the first thing is that you need to make sure that you come here on the top and you published it. And when you publish it, the duplicate as template need to be enabled. This link that is right here, you see, copy. This will allow you, if you want to copy that link so people can duplicate it. So if you see here, on my left is one account, on my right is a different one. So let me come here. And now from here, I could duplicate this link. So I could come here on the top. And now it's going to ask me, where do I want to put that tracker? Okay. And my tracker, now it's right here. So all you have to do is like, that link, you put it like right here. By going to my courses, let me just go into this one just to make a test, and all that I have to do, again, you're gonna put a button, a link, a text element, whatever you want them to do to click it. So this was done with the MCP, but what I'm gonna do in here is that I'm gonna add a button. I'm gonna call it Notion Task Tracker. Copy. You're gonna change this, go to, you're gonna put the link, open on a new one, save it, and we should be able to preview it. Okay, and formatting, but you see, you get a button, and when you click it, this will open your tracker. And then from there, your users will be able to do whatever they need. So there you have, my friends. How do you embed or put a link so they can copy your Notion in a secure way in your courses? We'll see you on our next video.